We just helped our multifamily investor client acquire 18 units in the city of Fullerton for $8,500,000. This property was their upleg to their 1031 exchange where they acquired this asset from selling a property way out in Kansas. And they wanted to move their equity back to Orange County, get close to their operations, and this property checked a lot of the boxes. This asset, 18 units, predominantly 2-bedroom, 2-bath units, over 1,000 square feet each. In-place rents are $2,900 a month on average, and the total rent roll income on a monthly level is over $52,000 a month. What the buyer liked about it, not only being close to their proximity of their other assets, their management side of the business really liked it because they can get to the property very quickly and don't have to deal with a lot of inefficiencies from managing something from afar. Now diving in, finding 80s construction, finding something that's been renovated, the buyer doesn't have to come in with additional cash to fix up the asset. They're buying in a great location, walking distance to Cal State Fullerton. This property was truly irreplaceable. Our team was hired from the client to help go out and complete this exchange for them. And that was really important and valuable to us. So we went through and spent a lot of time going through our off-market inventory, looking what's available on the market, finding the best solution for them, and really putting together, ranking 5 or 6 different properties that meet their needs, going through the pros and cons of each one to find out ultimately what makes the most sense and what's going to make the most sense over a 5, 10 plus year hold. We also helped work with their lender, arranging the financing, making sure the critical dates were on time, inspecting what we expect out of the asset, and ultimately our clients are very happy and we're happy for them, and it's very rewarding to help an investor level up their portfolio. So if you're in the market, if you're thinking about trading into more units, this is unique. We've seen a lot of investors trade out of state. Now we have some clarity with Prop 33 behind us, and there's not a lot of concerns about what's coming down the pike throughout the state, even though who knows what could come. It's a little bit more of a clear path. So we're seeing a lot more capital come back into the market and acquire assets, and this was a great case study where we saw capital actually come back to this market looking for core real estate. So as you know, if there's a lot of viewers that watch this channel, 80s construction is hard to find within Orange County. Getting something even newer than that is hard to come by. So 80s construction renovated is very appealing, and this will be over a 5% cap rate within about a year. We're gonna have to turn some of the rents up a little bit more and bump them to get over to a 5 cap. But again, great real estate in a great submarket. So overall, if you're thinking about completing a 1031 exchange, or maybe you're thinking about, is my equity really performing at the level it should in my current property, we can take a look. We can do a pros and cons and take a look at your asset compared to another property and see if we can improve building quality, location, cash flow, after tax. Cash flow is certainly something a lot of people look at once they start running out of depreciation. If we can help in any way, feel free to reach out, and we welcome the opportunity. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.